Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 7 in the course. Got my little buddy Shelby here with me to help out. Say hi, Shelby. Hi. Okay, see what happens when you get old. You start doing silly stuff like that with your pets. Okay, so midterm exams are in and just started to look at them. Typically, my process works like this. I'll read through all of them without grading them, just to get a feel for where we are as a class. And then I'll go ahead and read through them and grade them. But from what I can see so far, they all look pretty good. So this week, we go back to our usual weekly format. You have your weekly discussion board question, and you have your weekly quiz. The discussion board this week is all about community, and in particular, the folks on F Street and how they were able to mobilize the resources in their community to best fit their situation. Now, one of the theories you've probably been exposed to by this time in the course is something called resource mobilization theory. And it's the idea that social movements, community activism works best when the community is able to mobilize all of the resources at their disposal. Typically, we're talking about money here. Let me put you over there. But in many cases, it can be other resources. For example, with the F Street group, you had people who had experience working in the office, working on creating budgets, agendas, how to set up a website, people who had experience at mobilizing their community, getting people involved, going door to door with their neighbors. And of course, you had folks like myself who was able to use my academic skills, my ability to speak to the public. I wrote numerous articles in the paper. I addressed groups about what was going on with F Street. So when we're looking at mobilizing a community, again, you have to keep in mind what resources that community had. We didn't have a lot of money with the F Street movement, but what we did have was a lot of dedicated people with tools, experiences, resources in other areas where we were able to bring that together for successful community action. Okay, your research papers. Now is the time you really need to be working on that research paper. It is due June 4th, so week 9, the end of week 9, the paper is due. So make sure you're looking at it now, you're setting up your outline. And again, as I said on the midterm or anything else, formatting not as important as the content. Make sure your content is there. And of course, you have your choice of what you want to write on, which social problem in your community, if you will, within urban sociology. But the important thing is check with me first just to make sure that your topic does fit in with urban sociology. Usually there's not a problem, and sometimes I have to make some exceptions if it isn't a real tight fit, but I'm sure we'll be fine there. Okay, so that's it for this week. I hope you're all doing well. If there's, again, any questions, concerns, please get with me. I'm always available in a number of different ways. And as many of you have already discovered, I'm very responsive, so I'm here to see you succeed. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you all have a great week ahead, and I will be talking to all you good people real soon. Thanks. Bye.